Try my latest hair gadget. Can the Beachwaver give me beachy waves? Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and beauty, skincare, fashion, travel, things that make you more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this kind of content and you're not already a subscriber, can you please hit that little subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, for months, I've been seeing ads for this Beachwaver come up on my Instagram, other social media. This is the rotating curling iron. Today, I'm trying it for the first time. What do I think? How long does it take? Stay tuned. Well, I just got this new gadget. It is called the Beachwaver S.75. And this is one of these rotating curling irons. It has 2 speeds, slow and fast. Okay. And this is actually, once you turn it on, you can sort of set the temperature. I'm sticking with 350. Hopefully it's warm enough to curl, but not so hot that it's going to damage my hair. It also comes in different barrel widths too. I got one of the smaller ones because my hair does not hold curl very well. And anyway, I'm going to try it for the very first time today. Now, one thing I learned before curling my hair, because my hair does damage easily, is to use a texture spray first. So I've got this Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little section, just start off, and spray. Then it says to grip this like right near the end. You don't want it right on the end. And then rotate. And let it, okay. And then just hold for a few seconds. You don't want to damage it, just don't hold it too long. Then slowly release. There we go. Got a little ringlet. Try it. A few more. Okay, again, texture spray. And let's grip it right around here. Roll. And I'm going to release and hold it for about 10 seconds. And then release. Oh. Okay, it's taking some time to come out this way. There we go. All right. Okay, I did the rest of my hair. Only took a few minutes. I just loosely, basically did it with my fingers, brushed it out a little bit. And yeah, it does have some waves. Now with my hair being as fine as it is, I only used basically 6 ringlets. And then just messed it up. You know, I just want to go for the full beachy look. So that's my whole goal of using this thing. I probably could do tighter little curls if I wanted, you know, taking just smaller amounts and holding it for a little bit longer. But overall, I just want to make my hair look a little bit thicker, just have some natural waves to it. And I think this does the trick. Now this gadget actually comes in multiple barrel sizes. Mine is one of the smaller ones, the S.75. I think it's like 3/4 of an inch. And being that my hair, it doesn't hold curl very well, I thought like this size would work better for me. If your hair holds curl well, if you have really thick hair to begin with, you may want the larger barrel size. And if you have thick hair to begin with, it will take you a little longer to do it. But this, I think this is going to work perfect for me, and I think this is going to be my most used device for right now. I got this from the Beachwaver website. It was on sale. I think it was like half price when I got it. I think the sale is still on. If not, I know between now and the holidays there are going to be a lot of sales. So I'm going to put a link below to this device. So far, I do really like it. And yeah, it gives a thumbs up from me. So that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, do you have a favorite hair gadget, particularly if you have fine hair like me? Is there something that really helps your hair? If so, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.